What's up, guys? Francis here. Now, I just got a question from someone, in my comment section on one of my YouTube video, where he was asking, how can I make money as a student? Okay, if you're the person, you know yourself. Okay, so I thought I should answer this question real quick. Okay, because for quite some time now I haven't been answering some request videos. So I just thought it wise that I make a request video today. If you're brand new to this YouTube channel, if this is your first time watching me on YouTube, my name is Francis Abogonye. Okay, I share entrepreneurship videos. I do make money online methods, different strategies you can use to make money online, and I also document my journey on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, subscribe and tick the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I put new videos on this YouTube channel. Okay, also let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Okay, let me know if you like this video by hitting on the like button right now. I'll appreciate you if you do that, and share this video with your friends to give value to them also. So with that being said, let's dive right in, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make money as a student, okay, online. Now, the internet is full of so many opportunities. That is why I mostly make money online methods, okay, and I have tons of videos that I'm going to share with you that I share make money online methods that anybody can literally apply, even if you're a student or if you work at a job, okay. And as a student, what I mostly recommend a student do, because most students will they keep complaining they don't have money to set up their own business, they are low on funds, and they just want to get started, or they just want to get the ball rolling for themselves. Okay, you don't have to complicate things too much. All right, you don't have to start thinking of how you want to reinvent the wheel. You just have to go with what works. Okay, what you've seen other people do to make money online, that is what you should focus your attention on. You don't have to start searching everywhere, then be caught up with the shiny object syndrome. Okay, because that's what you're going to get when you're starting out. Trust me. You'll be seeing other people making money with affiliate marketing. You'll be seeing others doing Shopify or doing drop shipping, using Shopify or WooCommerce and all that. You might be overwhelmed with all those informations and be wondering where to start from. Or maybe you might see others doing content locking and doing CPA marketing and all that. You might be overwhelmed with all this information and don't know where to start. But what I recommend you do as a student, okay, is first of all, before you start thinking of making money, I know you just want to make money or you just want to get money from the internet and go away. I know you just want to go for the money and you don't want to listen to anything that has to do with long-term growth or doing what you're passionate about. But thing is, if you go down that route, okay, you're going to get you're going to see a lot of growth and a lot of changes in the future. Okay, you're going to have a sustainable business in the future if you go through the long-term route. Okay, you're going to see you're going to grow your business over time. Okay, but if you just want to do something real quick that is going to sustain you in school, you're going to have some money that you can use to help yourself out, to buy books, to buy a computer, to buy other stuff. What I recommend you do is to build a traffic source for yourself first. Okay, that is my recommendation. Build a traffic source in a particular niche. You don't have to be interested in the niche. Maybe if it is a niche you have, you know that it's profitable, okay, and you know you can stay consistent with it. Just give yourself like 3 to 6 months, okay, or to 1 year, and build a traffic source for yourself. Okay, build an audience that you can monetize. It's that simple, okay. Or then after you build that traffic source, first of all, before I go into my after you build the traffic source, okay, then later you can start monetizing them by referring them to offers. Okay, you can sign up for different affiliate offers. Maybe you can do CPA marketing, which is the most simple one you can do, okay, and refer people to a link where when they put their email in, you get $1.60, okay, for each person you bring in, depending on their location. Especially if the people are in the US, you get $1.60. If they are outside the US, maybe it will be cheaper. I don't know, depending on the offer you're promoting. All right. Or let's say you have a product that once they buy the product, you are being offered a particular commission, which is what I do, affiliate marketing. Okay, you can build an audience, build a traffic source, then look for a problem, look for a product that solves the problem of that your audience. It's that simple. You have an audience. Every audience have a problem, definitely. every niche, there's always a problem in that niche. So all you have to do is to discover the problem people are having in that industry or in that niche. You can be in the fitness niche, okay, you can be in the motivation niche, you can be in the make money online niche, you can be in the dentist niche, whichever one. Maybe you teach people how to take care of their skin or do makeups. There is always a problem in every industry. So all you have to do is to identify that problem, then look for a product that solves that problem. Okay, make sure you create an affiliate account with whoever is selling the product. Okay, you might get some of those products with an affiliate network. You can sign up with an affiliate network or an affiliate program. Okay, register with them and get your own affiliate link. Then put that link on your traffic page. It can be your Facebook page or your Facebook group or your Instagram account. Okay, what I recommend you do is to build that traffic source. That is the most important thing first, so that you can monetize them anytime. Then all you have to do is to be growing that page every single time to make more money when you refer people to your links. Okay, it is that simple. You don't have to complicate these things. Okay, build a traffic source first. For those of you who just want to just get money and get out real quick, okay, it's still the same thing. You can look for an audience out there that are having a particular problem. Like I made a video on my YouTube channel about making $50 a day, okay, where I go through in the video I went to Twitter and search for people who have a particular problem, and I saw those people and I went after them immediately. You can send them messages, okay, and refer them to a link that when they buy from that link, you get a commission. It is that simple. You can look for people online who have a particular problem, okay, and you can help them solve that problem. It can be people who are looking for insurance. They want to know about insurance, or they want to get insurance, or those that want to get their finances right. They want a financial advisor, okay, or those who want to lose weight, or those who are suffering from depression. They need motivation, okay. You can look for a motivational product for them. And there are so many affiliate networks out there with so many products you can promote, okay. In Nigeria, I know you can't sign up for ClickBank. If not, I recommend ClickBank, but you can sign up for JVZoo. There are lots of products right there. You can sign up for Peerfly. There are lots of products on Peerfly also. You can sign up with CPA Grip. There are so many affiliate networks out there you can sign up with, and you have products to promote, okay. So that is how you can basically make money as a student wherever you are in the world. All right, just look for a product, okay, that solves a particular problem, and refer people using your own unique link, okay, to that product for them to buy it to solve their problem. Then you get a commission from that. That is the fastest way you can get money, okay, without investing any money. You can do it for free, okay, and you can do it anywhere you are in the world. You don't need money to get started with this. If you can identify people with problem and you solve their problems for them, you can get a commission from that. It is that simple, okay. Over time, you can be maybe you can diversify your income. As a student, I know a lot of students who knows a lot of things, okay. They know a lot of craft, all right. Maybe you are good with mathematics. You can teach other people mathematics online and charge them a particular amount of money, okay. You can teach people mathematics, or you can teach what you already know and make money from that, and sign people up to buy from you. But that requires a little bit of sign up and is a little bit more advanced, okay. So I don't want to get into that. Maybe in another video I will get into that in details. But to get started easily, and you don't want to stress yourself, you don't want you just want to get the paper rolling, you just want the money ASAP, okay, look for a problem in a particular niche. Look for a problem, okay, and solve that problem for them. But I recommend you build a traffic source first, okay. You can build a Facebook page. It is not that hard. Build a Facebook page, post there, okay. You don't have to be showing your face. You just have to be posting on the Facebook group, on the Facebook page or a Facebook group, okay. It is very simple. Then invite people to like your page. Invite people to join your page, to join your group, or to like your page, okay, so that whenever you post, people can engage with your content, all right. By so doing, once your audience is big, you can start referring them to products and start making money from that, okay. You don't have to go and build a website or start doing something complicated. You can do that simple thing and start monetizing the traffic, all right. Now, if you find any value from this, let me know that in the comment section, okay. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it a lot if you give this video a thumbs up. If you find any value from this, give this video a thumbs up, okay. That is a way of supporting this YouTube channel, all right. Support by hitting the thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe if you're brand new and haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel. Until next time, which I will bring you guys more value. My name is Francis Abogonye. I'll be seeing you guys in another one. Peace.
Together, let's make self-education the new norm by Dean Graciosi. Here is a free training from Dean Graciosi, Tony Robbins, and Russell Brunson, okay? Teaching you how to use what you currently know to impact the lives of other people and make money while doing it, okay? So in the description of this video, there will be a link to a free training, okay? I encourage you to check it out.